Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. We are from Group D, and we will be presenting our veterinary appointment system, or as we call it, VetPals Care. We are a group of 5 people: Adni Nisrina, Sheril Damia, Umairah Izzati, Athirah Husna, and me, Sara Iman. In this video, we will be presenting the scope of the project, the objectives, the stakeholders, the software process models, the use case diagrams, the activity diagram, the use case specifications, the GUI, prototype, and test. The scope of the project includes several key aspects: the automated reminders via email or SMS to reduce missed appointments, the real-time updates on appointment availability, the access to pet medical records, the improved client satisfaction with convenient booking options, the enhanced clinic workflow by minimizing schedule conflicts, and better communication with live chat support.
Next is the objectives of our system. Firstly is to provide better appointment management system by streamlining the online system for both veterinary staff and pet owners. Next is to offer personalized account profiles for pet owners so that they can view appointment history and pet health records. We also want to minimize scheduling conflicts by optimizing staff productivity through automated workflows aligning with the schedule on the system. And lastly is to implement live chat feature, enabling real-time communication between pet owners and veterinary staff. This is our stakeholders for our system. Firstly, we have veterinarian, who will provide medical expertise and input on appointment scheduling requirements. Veterinary staff will assist in managing appointments, patients' record, and communication with clients. Next, pet owners will be able to schedule appointments, provide necessary information about their pets, and receive appointment reminders. Administrators will assist in managing appointments, coordinating with veterinarians and veterinary staff, and handling administrative tasks related to appointments. Lastly is the IT department, who will help develop and maintain the veterinary appointment system to ensure its functionality and security.
So for software process model, we chose the spiral model for its iterative approach, allowing us to refine our system through multiple cycles of planning, risk analysis, engineering, and evaluation. This model helped us address risk and incorporate user feedback effectively. In the planning phase, we define requirements and develop a project plan. During risk analysis, we identified challenges and devised mitigation strategies. Though we prioritize core functionalities over extensive security measures due to resource constraints, in the engineering phase, we created and refined prototypes based on stakeholder feedback, enhancing features like live chat support and real-time notifications. Evaluation involved gathering feedback and planning the next iteration. This flexible and adaptive process ensured we delivered a robust, user-friendly system that met all stakeholder needs.
Hi, my name is Athirah Husna binti Amir Nudin, my metric number 2315968. I'll be explaining our activity diagram for our whole system. So we have 4 actors overall, which is pet owner, which is our user, veterinarian, veterinary staff, and also our administrator. I'll be explaining the main use case of our system, which is to book the appointment. The user will be prompted to enter their ID and password, and then the system will verify whether the ID and password is correct. If the ID and password is incorrect, the system will display invalid ID or password. If the ID and password is correct, the homepage of the pet owner profile will be displayed. The user can now select schedule appointment, and then the calendar interface will be displayed. Then the user can select their desired date and time, and then the confirmation for the appointment booking will be displayed. If the user selects no, then the user will remain at the calendar interface to select new desired date and time. But if the user select yes, the user will receive confirmation email indicating that this user have successfully booked the appointment slot. Upon receiving the confirmation email, the user can now quit the website.
Hi, my name is Izzati and I'll begin my presentation by explaining the use case diagram. And this is the use case diagram of the veterinary appointment system. Actors involved are the pet owner, veterinary staff, veterinarian, and administrator. Use cases in this system consist of login, book appointment, receive appointment reminder, add pet's profile, remove pet's profile, view pet medical information, live chat, and manage user account. So for the first actor, which is a pet owner, the pet owner have the capability to log in into the system, book appointment, and upon the successful appointment booking, the pet owner will receive appointment reminder. Not just that, the pet owner also can add and remove pet's profile in the profile page. The pet owner can also view pet medical information and engage in a live chat with the veterinarian and the staff in case if the pet owner have any inquiries regarding the pet or the services. For the second actor, which is the veterinary staff, the veterinary staff can log into the system, add pet's profile, and the staff also have the access to view pet's medical information and engage in a live chat to assist the pet owner. For the third actor, which is a veterinarian, the veterinarian focuses on the clinical aspects of the system. They are able to log into the system. They can view detailed pet medical information, which is crucial for diagnosing health issues of the pet. And veterinarians can also participate in live chat session to communicate directly with the pet owners. And the last actor, which is the administrator can view pet medical information and manage user account. This is the use case specification for pet's medical information access. The objective of the use case is to allow pet owners to access medical information on their pets, and the pet owner is the actor for this use case. This use case is triggered when the pet owners initiate the use case when they need to access the medical information of their pets. And the preconditions of this use case is the user must be logged in into the account and the user must have at least one pet registered on their account. The use case starts when the user logs in into the account. The system will then verify the user's credentials. Second step, the user selects a pet profile that the user intended to check on medical information. The system will then display the details about the chosen pet. The third step, the user selects the view medical information option and the system will then display a confirmation message. The fourth step, the user confirms to view the medical information of the pet by clicking the OK button. The system will then display the detailed medical information of the pet, and the use case ends when the user confirms to view the medical information of the pet. And for the GUI, this is the GUI of the profile page when the user intended to access pet medical information. First, there's a search bar located at the very top of the page, and there's also users and pet's profile picture. The system also displays a pop-up message prompting the user to proceed in viewing pet medical information. And lastly, there's also cancel and OK button under the message. And for the prototype, this is a prototype when the user intended to view pet medical information. When the user clicks on the view medical information button here, the pop-up message will appear. And when the user clicks on the OK button, the medical information of the selected pet is then displayed. And the pet medical information include pet's allergies, past surgeries, dietary information, vaccination records, and preventive care. So moving on to the test case. The test case is to verify medical information with no data, and this is to verify that the system properly handles a scenario where no medical information is available for a pet. And the precondition is that the user is logged in and has at least one pet added with no medical information entered. And the technique used for this test case is equivalence partitioning, valid partition, and the dependencies is existing pet profile without medical information set up. Okay, so for the first step, the user logs into their account with the test data of email and password. Let's say the email is mymara15@gmail.com and the password is myra1504. The expected result will be the home page displayed, and the actual result is the home page displayed, and the status is passed. And the second step is the user navigate to their profile section. The test data is a profile button, and the expected result will be the profile page displayed. And the actual result is the profile page displayed, and the status is passed. The third step is the user click the edit pet profile option. The expected result will be the pet profile page displayed, and the actual result is a pet profile page displayed, and the status is passed. The fourth step is the user click a pet with no medical information, and the test data will be the pet name with no medical information, and let's say the pet with no medical information is Max, and the expected result will be the pet profile of the selected pet is displayed, and the actual result is a pet's profile is displayed with an option to view medical information, and the status is passed. The last step is the user click the view medical information button, and the expected result will be a message indicating no medical information is available is displayed, and the actual result is the system displays a pop-up message of there is no medical information available for this pet. The status is passed. And the post condition for this test case is the system returns to the pet profile page after the message is acknowledged, and no errors or crashes occur when attempting to view the non-existent medical information.
I am Sheril, and I will be presenting use case specification, UI, prototype, and test case for removing pet profile. This is the use case specification. The use case name is remove pet, and the objective of this use case is to allow pet owners to remove existing pets from their accounts. The precondition for this use case is the user must be logged into the account, and the user must have at least one pet registered on the account. The basic flow of this use case is firstly, the use case starts when the user logs into the account, and the system will verify the user's credentials, and if they input the incorrect password, they will go through the exception flow. Next, the user selects the pet's profile that the user intends to remove. The system displays the details about the selected pet. The user selects the remove pet option. The system displays a confirmation message. The user confirms to remove an existing pet from their profile, and the system updates the user profile, no longer displaying the pet profile that has been removed. Lastly, the use case ends when the user confirms to remove their pet. Next is the GUI. The GUI will display a confirmation message that to remind the user that the pet will be permanently removed. This is the prototype. There will be list of pets in the left side of the screen so that the user will be able to choose the pet that they want to remove easily. Next, when they click the pet that they want to remove, the pet's profile will be displayed on the right side of the screen with the remove pet option. This is the test case. The test title is to verify removing a pet profile with scheduled appointments. The description is that to verify that the system does not allow removing a pet profile with scheduled appointments. The precondition is the user is logged into the account and has an existing pet profile with scheduled appointments. The test type is firstly the user must log into the account. This is the test data. The expected result will be home page is displayed. The user navigates to the profile section through the profile button, and profile page is displayed. User selects edit pet profile option, and the pet profile page is displayed. User chose pet to remove. From this example, we chose Molly, and the pet profile of the selected pet is displayed. In this case, Molly's profile will be displayed with the option to remove pet. The user clicks the remove pet option, and a confirmation prompt is displayed. The actual result is the system displays a pop-up message. This will permanently remove Molly from your profile. Are you sure? The user confirms the pet removal through the OK button, and the system displays a message indicating that the pet profile cannot be removed due to existing appointments. The actual result is the system displays a pop-up message, pets with existing scheduled appointments cannot be removed. The first condition is the pet profile has not been removed, and the system returns to the pet profile page.
My name is Sara Iman, and I will be presenting the GUI, the prototype, and the test case for the live chat feature. So the objective of this use case is to allow pet owners to experience real-time chatting with veterinarian or staff regarding their pets. The precondition for this use case is that the user must be logged into their account. Basically, the use case starts when the user logs into their account. Then the system will verify the user's credentials. When the user selects the Start Live option, the system will display a confirmation message. Then, the user confirms to start a new live chat with the veterinarian by clicking OK. Then, the system will connect the user with the veterinarian on standby. There will be an exception flow for the no vet on standby. Then, the use case ends when the user confirms to start a new live chat. Let's look at the GUI for the live chat feature. The GUI for starting a new live chat showcases an instant pop-up message asking, "Start a live chat with your veterinarian." Users can click OK to initiate the chat. The left part of the GUI shows the past messages list of users with their veterinarians and staff. Upon clicking a message, the one-to-one message with the vet appears on the right side of the interface. This design ensures users can easily start a new live chat and review past conversations for context. The prototype demonstrates the live chat feature in action. The prototype illustrates the user interface when a pet owner requests to start a new live chat. Users will see a pop-up message. "Start a live chat with your veterinarian?" Clicking OK connects the user with an available veterinarian, showing a real-time chat interface. The left part displays the message history, while the right part shows the ongoing conversation. This prototype highlights the seamless integration of the live chat feature into the veterinary appointment system, providing an intuitive user experience. User logs into their account using the test data. The expected result is that the homepage is displayed. Then the user selects the Start Live Chat option, and the expected result is that the system displays a confirmation message. Third, the user confirms to start a new live chat by clicking OK. Then the expected result is that the system connects the user with an available veterinarian. For this test case, all the actual results are the same as the expected results, so all their statuses are passed. For the third step, we must take note to ensure that the chat interface is user-friendly and functional. The postcondition is that the user is connected with the veterinarian for live chat.
Next, I'll be explaining the use case specification for login. The use case starts when the user visits the website webballs. Then the system will display the login page. And then the user will be prompted to enter their email and password. And then the user will click the login button. The system will then verify the user's credential. We have here exception flow 1, incorrect password. If the login is successful, the system will display the dashboard of the pet owner's profile along with their pet's profiles. And then the use case ends when the user clicks the login button. This is the graphic user interface for the login page. We have here, if the pet owner is the first user to our website, the user needs to first register with their either with Google account, Facebook, or Twitter. But if the user has already created an account, the user can proceed to log in by entering their email and also password. Then navigate to this login button. This is the prototype of the login page. We have here, "Welcome to WebPulse Care." And then the user will be prompted with two options, whether to sign in or to log in if they already registered an account. And then when the user entered their email and passwords, the user navigate to this login button to proceed to their pet owner's dashboard. Now this is the test case for the use case login. The test title is to verify error message to log into a non-existing account. To test the system's response when the user tries to log in into a non-existing account. Technique: equivalence partition, invalid partition. The precondition is the user need to have internet connection and visit the website. So the step starts when the user visited the website webballs, and then the login page will be displayed. Then the user enters credential to log into their account profile, enter their emails and also password. It will still be at the login page, and then when the user clicks login using the login button, the error message will be displayed, which is account does not exist. This simply means that the user has not yet registered an account to our website. So the pause condition will be the user will remain on the login page, and the system will display an error message for the user to register.
Hi, my name is Adni Nisrina. I will be presenting the use case specification for adding a pet profile in our veterinary appointment system. This use case is crucial as it allows pet owners to add new pets to their account, ensuring their pets' information is up to date and accessible for veterinary appointments. Okay, so in this slide, we see the detailed use case specification for adding a pet profile identified as PU001. The objective is to enable pet owners to add new pets to their account. This use case was created by Tengku Athirah Husna binti Tengku Amiruddin and last updated by Sara Iman binti Azhar. The business owner, Adni Nisrina binti Zalani, oversees this process. The trigger for this use case is when a pet owner needs to add a new pet, and it is used on demand. The primary precondition is that the user must be logged into the account. Here we have the basic flow of actions for adding a pet profile. Firstly, the use case starts when the user logs into the account. The system verifies the user's credentials. If incorrect, an error message is displayed. Next, the user selects the Add New Pet option, and the system prompts the user to enter the pet's details. Finally, after entering the pet's details, the system displays a confirmation message indicating the successful addition of the pet profile. Okay, this is the GUI for adding a pet profile. As you can see, the user has the option to view their profile, which includes the details of their pets. To add a new pet, the user clicks on the Add New Pet button and a confirmation dialog appears. For the prototype, based on feedback and further iterations, the interface has been enhanced for better user experience and visual appeal. The process remains intuitive. The user navigates to their profile, clicks on Add New Pet, fills in the pet's details, and confirms the addition. This final design ensures ease of use and aligns with our goal of providing a seamless experience for our users. This test case is designed by me, Adni Nisrina binti Zalani, and executed by Sara Iman binti Azhar. It aims to verify the system's response when a user adds a new pet profile. It involves a high priority test for the pet profile module. The process begins when the user logging into their account using specific credentials, navigating to the profile section and selecting the Add New Pet Profile option. The user then enters the pet's details and saves them. The expected results at each step include the display of the home page, profile page, new pet details page, and a confirmation pop-up. Finally, the profile page should show the newly added pet. That's all from us, Section 2, Group D. Thank you for listening.